Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is RP. Now today I'm going to be talking about the death of a policeman, Detective Sergeant Kevin Mayne. He was killed by a car dealer man named Deon Singh. Madness. When I hear stories like them, I just shake my head. See, people, well boy, you know, it's a shame. No, that's not how it works. Things like this is not just, it's a shame and one of them things there. Unlucky, bad day, no. This is what happened when procedures are not followed. This is what happened when sloppiness take over. How much time ever talk to them about it? In a police work, military work, security work, anything we deal with a firearm, sloppiness equals funeral home. Sloppiness equal widows and fatherless children and motherless. One day for realize that one. Until serious consequences start happening for this amateur hour behavior, we continue in the security forces. We go keep at about boy rough. When they come out and say, yo, them things are not even fixed, now this not good enough. Yo, you go on Lex, say then want to shed tears until it's just like complain and make nice, or you can actually improve. This is not good enough. Just grouping up and holding press conference and talk about a tragedy is not good enough. People need to be held accountable, not just the people who have caused the sloppiness, or the people who hire them, people who in charge of them, people who do the training. I just be a sloppiness all around. When we go into it, while we are talking about the loss of a life, we have to give thanks for another one, celebrating one more year upon earth. A patron birthday shout out. This one goes out to Harris. Today is actual earth strong. Harris, as I can see what happened with Detective Sergeant Kevin Mayne. Here now, gone in a second. So, big up yourself. Hope you have a great day. Live long and prosper. Seeing that's Harris from the Patreon squad. I big him up. Let's get back to the video. Detective Sergeant Kevin Mayne killed by a used car dealer, Deon Singh. No, the last video I talk about the Singh. Reports show that he was escorting Singh back from courthouse because Singh had a beer problem with, as I said, a used car dealer, so much people pay for car and they deliver car, so people now file complaint and they have to go court now, and so they might escort him back and forth. So from court to HWT station. If you don't know HWT station stay, the courthouse, right, they're close to the station. Right, a walking thing. As he was escorting Singh back from the courthouse, look like Singh realized the things never go work out for him or what. I don't know where him headspace today. We can't talk about that, but we can only talk about the end result. Him and Sergeant Kevin Mayne getting a tussle. And next police officer, remember this will take place at HWT police station, The station and the courthouse they're right next to each other. Right, so it's all of this is going down, literally police backyard. So as Kevin Mayne and Deon Singh a tussle, a next police officer, a next squad now turn up for quote unquote help Kevin Mayne. Well, they may kinda help him, because in the process of trying to help Kevin Mayne, this squad here get disarmed by Singh and shot Kevin Mayne. At first it sound like a Kevin lose film gun and get shot with him own gun. It turned out that the police were come to help Kevin Mayne in the tussle get disarmed by Singh and shot with that police gun. So we can only imagine what happened after them realize them get disarmed and Singh have the gun in their hand. The fact said that police they get shot too. Well, I forgot you hear what them dress up that one day. Cause my arrest against 2 police and him disarm 1. I only shot 1, so the next one he there. But we hear afterwards if you turn track star. How do you turn up for help? Man, I end up get disarmed in the process. Every time we see these videos of JCF officers tussling with people in the streets, it could have been a taxi man, it could have been a 1 foot man, it no matter. Remember the video of the policeman there for backward Ratchik? Because gun gone over here, so this can uniform tear off. So it look like JCF they on some kind of malnutrition program where he squatted them down on strength. Not only there seem to be some kind of lack of strength, but there seem to be some kind of lack of awareness. In any tussle with anybody, the thing that you should be most aware of is where you're going there. The moment the tussling start, the thing where you should be most concerned about is where is my firearm and preventing somebody from grabbing it. You go for help a man in a one tussle and get disarmed and make somebody come use your gun kill that squaddy. I'm not gonna tell me, sir, I just want him thing there, man. These things, boy rough, yeah, man. So I go, yeah, dog. Trouble not set like rain, yeah, dog. So whenever these things happen, people quickly for us do the whole mourning part. Of course, people are gonna mourn. But if you don't do the whole, replaying of the events and try to learn from it, then it keeps happening. How was somebody who I get escort back and forth between courthouse and station yard? Right. Never have on a handcuff. JCF media personnel said Singh never had on no handcuff. Is this some kind of VIP service that I need to know about? Singh never have on a handcuff. What am I going to tell me? Say, oh, but I just true. Remember, say, I just want financial rated charge. Me I say, I don't want gun charge. So whenever we la pre, say, me I say, doesn't matter. Procedures must be followed or these things can happen. Why was Deon Singh not in handcuffs? And who is going to be held accountable for this? Una give man benefit of the doubt. See your man end up dead? Mr. Singh, are you? Alright, we could go over this, man. We have to ask the tough questions here. This is what we do on this platform. What kind of benefit of the doubt was this man given? Where he was allowed to go back and forth between courthouse and station yard in a police custody with no handcuff? Is it because he never have no kerchief around him head? Because he never wear no clocks? His last name wasn't Campbell or Smith, it was Singh. Was that the reason? I don't know. You explain it, guy. You're the expert. JCF media people, explain why Deon Singh was not in handcuff. I wouldn't say so. Or is this some kind of policy where, well, but I don't time for the handcuff, yeah. I'm not going to just try to go over this, G. Because it's these decisions that end up playing a role in reaching where the situation reach. That's how him can tussle so much. Him can tussle and war and fight to the point him disarm somebody else because he wasn't in a handcuff. Sloppiness. Just like what go on Uncle Sam place with the whole Trump matter. And you see them show you all the quote-unquote Secret Service. You see how the Secret Service director have to go in front of Congress. I watch it yesterday. Fast in front of Congress. Be explanation. People are telling the director of the Secret Service to her face that she's incompetent and needs to resign. I tell her, I say her story, a unicorn meet nothing and add up, a be a fool, she say her chat. I saw them a deal with her. The director of the Secret Services. And that's the thing I have to go. In a JCF, when these things happen, them come out and give statements and it done this so. Them give statements so you're going to do something, transfer man go on next station, and then man get buried and life goes on. You see that something what Secret Service I go through? Where you see that style Uncle Sam have when him call you before Congress and you have to explain yourself. The boss go. Not the constable, not the lower rank, the rank and file, and the boss go before Congress, I saw JCF and JDF boss have to start go before elected officials and explain some of them things there, I saw big wigs, I don't want you about no constable, I saw the superintendent, senior superintendent, ACP, right. Them rank they have to go start explain what go on at the JCF, We can't just keep a right up. Boy, that squad of the lazy and at some point it started to look like an organization issue. At some point, We have to accept that it is likely an organization issue. There will always be a few sloppy people who just get through the training somehow. But when it starts to become too frequent, now you have to look at the organization. So the ACP and the SSP and the big ranks have to start to get called before and say, oh, what is going on here? How man I get transported without handcuff? How come man I disarm 200 squad arrested one little man? Singh, kick down the 200 and disarm 100 and kill one? That sounds like a movie. They're making regular men out here who probably don't even reach 160 pounds. Look like said him as some kind of 7 feet NBA player. Like, oh well, he was trying to restrain Kevin Durant or LeBron James, and so it was just the size difference was so great. They have to go show one picture of this Singh brother here, I'm gonna try to find him, couldn't get one. We have to go see this Singh brother here. We better make sure, we have to go put out one picture of Deon Singh and make sure say he's 7 feet tall and weighs 300 pounds. Every time we see these videos, police, I make themselves get fling me, taxi man all fling them through car glass. What kind of diet are they on? How do you turn up to help a squad and end up get disarmed in the process? And you're going to kill that squaddy? Now, after him kill the policeman, report that him put the gun to him face and pull the trigger. But other police officers now start respond and other police get off shot too. But based on the report, it sound like them shot there was just for formalities because the lethal round was fired by Singh himself. That means say make up his mind like this. Back against the wall, right? Get found out as top scammer. Just go when his courthouse could look real rough now. Now have no case to win now. Finally catch up on him. Now them style are not typical Jamaican style. Right? That sound like some Yankee thing, a foreign thing that it happen very often. A man kill the police and kill themselves, but here we are. Not because it's rare don't mean it don't happen. Or it can't happen. That's why you prepare yourself. That's the whole point of preparation. That's the whole point of precaution. Not because it don't happen often, don't mean. That's like saying, well, man really crash and fly out a car, so I'm not bother wearing a seatbelt here, man. That would be foolish. This happened. A big off a tree. Somewhat squaddy. Maybe they were busy on TikTok. See, enough time we talk about them things, I'm thinking I joke, and I'm telling you, so this was for TikTok generation. Everybody just, right, man can't wait to figure out work, just record him latest TikTok video. JDF has been taking over with this video-like culture. Everybody, man spend all day, I want to make him next TikTok. Them dip on the roadside, I worry about them, I'm so much likes me, so much comments me get. If them dip on checkpoint, at TikTok and phone and Instagram, they want to see what go on with the Gen Z just like which man should they with now. And then anywhere them there, phone itch up. This is life and death. Them work you have to take serious. In every job, things can go bad, but when things go wrong one time you're an accountant, or things go wrong one time you're a secretary, it's a complete different ball game from when things go wrong when you're a police officer. A secretary's worst nightmare is probably sending the email to the wrong smaddy. Whatever happens, you will live. In a police work, in a military work, when things go bad, smaddy no go home. And smaddy family go here say, condolences. And smaddy pitney have to go here say, mommy or daddy now come home. This is why JCF and JDF and them tell the security guard work. It's not finna play people. You want to be a comedian? Go build your IG page separately. You want to be popular on the gram? Go turn influencer. Until there's real consequences for them level of sloppiness, yeah? I'm talking at the organization level. To keep a ham. No situational awareness. Anybody can go near them and physically touch their gun. Anybody can walk up to them and just disarm them. Madman disarm them. See the Deon Singh story there? The papers, they can go check it out. Long time chopper. People are complaining about him. Finally catch up on him now. Him and his wife Sophia. And them run the business. Collect much money so car come, nobody can see them car. Start use one customer money now to pay off but the next customer. Turning a Ponzi scheme. Supposed to be a car dealership but a Ponzi scheme. So where it come today? Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.